So you'll see that Christian was playing when he was hanging and he was swinging back and forth. That's great. Anything the child wants to do. And actually the swinging motion that he was doing is going to help him to brachiate better. So once the child hangs very well and we build up his time to 10, 25 seconds and more, he's getting the strength in his hands and his arms to be able to brachiate with help. So now I'm going to brachiate with Christian with help. So the child always starts on the step, and you always want to have the hands on different rungs so the child is all ready to swing. Now the key to brachiation is swinging. So I'm going to help him by picking up some of his weight. I'm going to push him backwards so he feels how it feels to swing backwards. Then I'm going to gently pull him forwards, and he is then going to feel how it feels to be swung forward. And then I'm going to walk backwards. We always want to help the child face to face, so he sees that I'm helping him, I'm paying attention to him, and if by chance he was to let go, I could grab him and hug him and help him get down to the ground comfortably. So we're going to do the whole ladder right now, and you're going to hold the child by the belt or belt loops or by the pockets in order to give him the support that he needs. Okay, ready? One hand forward. Okay, and here we go. Okay, avanti and dietro, avanti and dietro, avanti and dietro, avanti and dietro. Benissimo. Avanti and dietro. Benissimo. Okay. Siamo qui. Bene. Ok. Sì, sì. Benissimo. Ok.